Guys, welcome back to Audrey's Artistry. I'm back again for another video. So today I got something in the mail. I've been waiting so long for this. It gets sold out every time I try to get it. But this is the box of Crayons Palette by the Crayon Case. It's a black owned company. Shout out to the girls at Case of Crayon. Look at this, so beautiful. See that? Ugh, can't wait to play in this. So you guess what? You know what video about today? You know the video about today, okay? And then also I got this highlighter and AnGLOWla. AnGLOWla. That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna get this thing popping and rolling. Most definitely a colorful look today. We did the brows. So I'm also waiting for my P. Louise to come in the mail. So I pre-ordered the P. Louise. It hasn't come in the mail. This would have been perfect to try with it, but it hasn't come yet. I pre-ordered it, but it's not here. So we're just going to use our Makeup Revolution concealer to, you know, get things started around here. So stay tuned. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hold on, wait. Hit that subscribe button before we go any further. Just subscribe, you know, subscribe. And then at the end, I need you to like the video and leave me some comments. So stay tuned. Losing patience with me. First things first, we're going to take our big fluffy blending brush into that yellow, and we're going to pat it into our crease. So pat that color and keep patting and building the color up. This would have been so perfect if I had my P. Louise, but you know, I just had to do what I had. So blend and pat, and keep going until you get that color consistency that you're looking for. If you have to use a denser brush to really get that color in there, then do so. Now we're going to take that red with a denser brush to really concentrate that color in our crease. As you all know, red and yellow equals orange. So guess what? It's going to be orange on our eye. Okay? You really have to build these eyeshadow colors. That's why I wish I had the P. Louise to see if they stick better to that eyeshadow base rather than this concealer. But you know, maybe we'll try that out when I get it in the mail. Now this part was a little trial and error, honey. This is actually a purple color in the palette, and it's a shimmer. It's not a matte purple, I don't think, in that palette. Like, I really wanted to use a darker purple, so I'm taking that into the outside corners, and you're going to see me use a few different brushes to really pack on that color. And then we're going to go from the purple to the deep royal blue shimmer. This is also a shimmer color, and we're just, you know, just trying to really get those two colors in the outside crease of that eye.
Let's freshen up that red a little bit. We don't want to lose that. And then it's time to cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut the crease, honey. Cut that crease. We're not doing a full-blown cut crease. I just really just wanted to go in that front part and define the crease in the front part of my eye, because this orange I'm about to apply is popping. Look at it. Boom. This is the shimmer orange in the palette. I want to say this is my most favorite color that I used in this look. This orange. Like, it was so pigmented and so pretty and shiny. I just loved it. Now we're just really trying to make sure we don't lose any of our color definition from the other colors. Want to make sure you see that red, you see that purple, that blue, you see the orange. We just really wanted you to see that. I cheated here, guys. This color is definitely not in the palette. It's more so a pink petal rose gold kind of color from the Sephora Pro palette. I just really wanted to help blend those two colors from that orange to that purple blue, you know, and just bring them all together, you know, blendage, and just say, hey, hello, and, you know, a little pop of color, you know. So now it's time to blend those edges and to really, you know, just make sure everything is smooth and transition. And yeah. Hey girl, yeah, that eye cute, but you ain't right now. Let's finish the other eye and, you know, come together. This is my favorite highlighter to use on a brow bone. This is from the Dizzy Katie collection with Dose of Colors, one of their highlighters. I want to say this is Millie. This is like my favorite. Trust the process, people. Trust the process. I know this look a little scary, but trust it, honey, because this blendage about to come together, and I'm gonna be highlighted and contour for the guys, okay? I did contour with my favorite, which is Espresso. My highlighter is, I think I went down with Suede first from the Fenty Beauty matchstick, and then I went on top with my Urban Decay All Nighter concealer. This is like becoming my favorite concealer because it really snatches my face how I want it to. You know, I had good days and bad days, but this here is snatched right here. As I repeat, trust the process, and we're going to continue to blend, okay? I most definitely use my fingers most of the time to help blend that nose contour. This is where the magic begins. Blending, blending, and blending. This is the same brush I used to apply my foundation, and the foundation I used was the Lancome Tint Idol foundation. And so we're just gonna, you know, blend that highlight and contour together. As you can tell, I was about to start feeling myself until, you know, I realized I need to blend some more. Alright girl, well you blended now. Now it's time to warm up this face. So we're basically going to take our black Radiance contour palette and we're going to set this highlight with the highlight color in there and warm up our face with the contour color. And you know, we're going to give birth to something beautiful. Runny nose and all. Now I use this brush for my cream contour and my powder when I want a real nice sunken in cheek. Okay, trying to hide and make that face a bit smaller. So this is why I use this brush. So I decided not to bake. Like I said, I'm sitting with that highlight color and the black Radiance palette. We're not baking today, guys. We are just sitting with powder. And it's more so powder that's towards my skin tone. To tone down the highlight just a little bit. Blush is here to bring some color into our face. So basically I have a Morphe blush palette and I just took this big blush brush and just, you know, tapped it in all of the colors to get this color, and voila. See, when I get a little too happy with that blush, I just go back in with my powder, my face powder, and you know, just tone it down a bit. Just tone it down a lot, actually. Now this baby here is called AnGLOWla, honey. So we about to spray this face, let it set, and we about to see magic happen here today, ladies and gentlemen. This highlighter powder from the Crayon Case is just like amazing. Can you see that? Amazing. You know I love to glow, so we hitting all areas, okay? Nose, upper lip, cupid's bow, and then we're gonna take the forehead and chin. Here we're using a NYX, I think it's like an eyeshadow base, but they're in different colors. So this is the blue one. We're going to take it to that bottom waterline to, you know, bring colors back to our eyes. And, you know, just have that extra pop. Now it's time to wing this liner out. No, we didn't do the wing. We did not do a wing liner today, guys. We just did a simple line straight across, real medium line. Nothing too chunky, because we really want the eyes and the lashes speak for themselves.
Alright, so we figured out our lip. Our lip is Vintage by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Put this nice little cute little top on from Boohoo's, a little crop top. I'm gonna give you a little little sneak peek. But yes guys, this is it. This is the look using the Crayon Case, Box of Crayons palette, and also the AnGLOWla. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like me, comment, and let me know what you think.